How to fix Discord not sending my friend a message. So if you're just facing this issue, first of all go to Play Store, right, and here search for Discord. If you're using an iPhone, then just go to the App Store here. If you see an option of update in the place of open, just click on update. So once your Discord is updated, right, try to open your Discord and try to text your friend. So once you text your friend, maybe you will able to send a message to them. If you're still not able to send a message, then here this solution will work definitely. Go to the settings of your phone, scroll it down, and here you will find an option of apps. Click on it, go to the app management, and here app management is basically where all the application which is installed in your phone, it will be shown here. Search for Discord, go to the storage usage, click on clear cache. So if you click on clear cache, right, if I just try to open my Discord here, it will just everything will get reset after re-login into my Discord, and only after that I will able to text someone. So you have to re-login into your Discord, and this time it will work definitely. I hope you found this video very useful.